Today we expect to take our world with us wherever we go. Infotainment is a connected drive solution to the challenge of seamless, safe and reliable integration of your car with your life. Bluetooth connectivity brings your office into your BMW, putting your phone, emails, calendar and your contacts right at your fingertips. Your music and entertainment needn't be left at home either. USB and Bluetooth audio streaming from your mobile device effortlessly connect you to the music you love. Album artwork can be displayed on the vehicle control display, and track information can be updated from a live online database. With DAB digital radio, hard drive, CD and MP3 compatibility, you are free to effortlessly enjoy your music your way. The BMW Assist online portal provides a host of access to online services to keep you informed wherever you are. Daily news headlines, weather forecasts and sports information are available to you at the touch of a button. You can even keep up to date with friends and family through your Twitter and Facebook accounts. The infotainment features of Connected Drive ensure that you get the most from your connected life. By providing access to valuable information, by bringing your office, your entertainment, your world into your BMW, Connected Drive gives you the most enjoyable driving experience imaginable.